Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'll show you guys the products that I use to help my damaged hair and to repair the split ends to bring my hair back to a healthy hair. So I really have a dry hair. I love to bleach my hair. I never think of taking good care of my hair. So I've decided to take good care of my hair now. And I found this product that really works for me because L'Oreal, it's the best product. If you don't believe in me, you really have to try this. And I'll show you guys. Let's get started. No more talking. Let's get started and I'll show you the products that I use. I'm gonna take a shower now, and because today is a wash day of hair, I never wash my hair every day. I usually just wash my hair like every other day, or if I feel like I really have to wash my hair, like if it's really oily, especially now it's really oily. As you can see, it's really oily, and I can see that there's a dandruff now. So yeah, but I'll show you my end roots also. As you can see, it's getting dry. Yep, that one there, you can see it's really dry, right? The product that I use to save my damaged hair, of course, L'Oreal. Is that right? How I pronounce or whatever, just correct me if I'm wrong. So this is the one that I use. It's a lifesaver. It saved my hair. So this is the one I'll show you. Oh, no, I'll show you the first one. I'll show you this one first. This is the shampoo. That one. That's the shampoo. This one here. Yeah. That's how big it is. And this is the conditioner. As you can see, if you really can see. That's the conditioner. Yep. This is the products that I use to save my damaged hair. And the other one, of course, is this one, the L'Oreal Total Repair. And I'm telling you, it really works. Wait for me until I take a shower, and when I'm done, and I'll show you guys. I'm telling you, okay? So let's take a shower now, guys.
Let's start with the shampoo. Massage your scalp. Then rinse your beautiful hair. Next is your conditioner. Remember, never apply a conditioner on your scalp. This will make the roots oilier than they naturally are. It's your hair that needs the most hydration, and you should condition from the mid until the ends of your hair. Now, let's rinse your beautiful hair. Next will be your hair mask, the Total Repair Balm. Again, just apply from mid until the ends of your hair to give more hydration. Okay, beautiful?
I'm done taking a shower and I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I'll show you guys after, okay? My hair is already dry. As you can see, how it looks. It's so soft. It's so soft after I use that L'Oreal, and it looks so healthy. So yes guys, do you know what guys, that L'Oreal too, the shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask, is not only helping you to repair your damaged hair, it also, that conditioner, that shampoo, the hair mask, the L'Oreal, all the products that I show it to you, it also help your hair to give more volume, like that. As you can see, like that, to give more volume and to make your hair look more healthy, as you can see, and vibrant hair, like that. And it's super soft, super soft. And yes, and it really works. You should try that L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, hair and hair mask repair. It will help your hair to look more healthy, shiny, silky, and of course more volume. So soft, shiny and soft. Look at that. And it's all because of that product that I use, the L'Oreal. I've been using that for years now. So I'm telling you guys, you should try that L'Oreal Repair to help your hair to go back to a healthy, silky, healthy look. You won't regret using these products. And you gonna say thank you to me because I recommend that L'Oreal shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. Let me know if it works with you. I hope you enjoy watching my video and you learned something today. Please don't forget to hit the like and please subscribe to my channel now. And can you please click the bell button? Yes, that bell button, because it will notify you to all my new upload video. Thank you so much again, and I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Thank you so much again. I love you all. Use that L'Oreal now.